MT4 integration with API Bridge. In this video, we will show you how to integrate MT4 with API Bridge. To start, download the set of files for API Bridge. Go to the downloaded file, right-click on the zipped folder and extract it. In the extracted folder, you will find subfolders API Bridge. Cut the folder named API Bridge and place it in your C drive. Inside the folder, locate the file API Bridge Launcher.exe. Right-click on File and create a desktop shortcut. Now run MT4. Click on Tools, Options. In the Options tab, go to Expert Advisors. Tick all mandatory fields and click OK. Now click on File and select Open Data folder. And open MQL4, include, and paste the file called algotrading.mqh. Go back in MQL folder and open Experts and paste the following files: charttrader.ex4 and charttrader.mq4. Go back to MT4 application, click View, Navigator. Inside Navigator, right-click on Expert Advisors and choose Refresh. Now you will be able to see ChartTrader. Now simply drag and drop ChartTrader file into the chart window. That's it. MT4 is now integrated with API Bridge. Now go to API Bridge. You can preset risk management and portfolio management roles for the client. Log into API. Click on Start Trading. Here in MT4, I am clicking on Long Entry button to place a long trade. Now signal is received in API Bridge. Depending on your settings, it applies several checks on the signal to place order like symbol settings, signal rules, and risk management. Look, in API Bridge order is placed based on signal received from MT4. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.